Welcome back to the channel. I was gonna try to work today, but the rain has other plans, so we'll pick this back up in a little bit. All right, now the rain's gone, even though it's a couple days later. Y'all can see I painted my firewall here. It's gloss black, just some rattle can, but done that, and I'm gonna put carpet everywhere else, so I won't no need of painting it. All right, so I got my dashboard installed now. Got my tack. I says Luna dashboard. Got it from Jegs. Bought me some new gauges put in here by Equus. New tack. Y'all know my old tack stopped working. Got a switch panel. Push button start. All right, so here go my relay panel that I made. Got 540 amp relays. Got my fuse box. Nice little cover over top of it. Got my burst panel here. I mean, not my burst panel, but my terminal here. These is where you hook your switches up. You hook your switches up. It's got a cover too. Hook your switches up to the white ones here, across from the white ones, and you hook your accessory up across from the yellow. And of course, you got your ground. The blue wires are the power. So you got power coming in to this terminal, and it feeds out to the blue wires, which is the positive. So that's how this works. You got your grounds there. Cut it out on some ABS plastic and put this back on.